Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I want to walk you through this pre-owned Sea Ray 250 SDX. So SDX is their sun deck model. 250 is 25 feet in length, and this is a pre-owned model. This is 2022. Used it for one season. Does come with the trailer, so that's kind of nice to have. Obviously on the side here you can see we got the nice white with the nice dark rich blue along the side, the Sea Ray blue. Let's go back to the swim platform. So on this 25 footer we got a lot of space on this IO 250. You got sun deck space right back in here, and then when you're hanging out you can actually drop this down into the water, sit on here, you can stand on it. Kind of a cool feature if you're just hanging out at the sandbar or out in the middle of the lake. Got some seating back up in here. Lots to see on the interior, so let's go take a look. All right, welcome aboard to this 250 SDX. So we'll start here in the transom of the boat. In the back here, we have a couple different positions that you can have this boat in. As you can see, you can face forward right now, and if I want, I can just actually pull this back, and now we can face aft if you're hanging out in the back of the boat. So very easy to do that. Some storage underneath that seat over there. This does lift up, and this is the engine hatch. So in this boat we have the Mercury 6.2 liter 300 horsepower engine with the Bravo 3 props, so the twin props that spin in the back. So plenty of power to get this boat going. And then as we come right in here, we have the sea decking. There's a cooler right there. There's some storage right there. And then as we come into the cockpit area, we've got a seat here that moves forward and back. We got some storage underneath there. There is a place for a table in the cockpit that's removable, obviously. And then the other thing I'll mention up here is the tower. So the tower, you can see the bimini is deployed, and when you don't want the bimini, it collapses on itself onto the tower. We do have the optioned up Fusion stereo tower speakers up here as well. So that was an option that was added to this boat. And then if you do want to put this tower down, there's just little releases on this side and that side, and the tower will come down. So let's take a look at the helm. So up here at the helm, had a very comfortable double seat right here. You do have a bolster that pops up if you like. I've got my digital throttle here for the 300 horse. There is a start button on the side. There's your trim. Pretty easy, nice and ergonomical right here. We've got our Simrad system right here. You got chart plotting, echo, navigation, your engine diagnostic. Everything you need is right here. Then we also have some docking lights. We got some underwater lights as well. And then, so right now I have my courtesy lights on, which are my white lights. If I just press this all the way down, now I've got really cool LEDs in the cup holders and throughout the boat that you can turn on. So that's kind of a cool option to have. So lots here at the bow, or I'm sorry, at the helm. So one other thing I'd like to show you is a really unique feature of the 250 SDX is this area down in here. So it does have a head down in this area. This is really nice. This pad that is up against the wall here can actually fold down. It can become a little seating area. Maybe a little child could be down there to take a nap, but otherwise you can use it as storage. Just kind of a cool different thing that you see on this boat versus some of the other ones that are out there. So, and because of that, we do walk to the bow of the boat through the port, and then we come up to the bow. So up in the bow, I've got some nice seating around here. I've got a place for a cooler right here, and then full seating across, which is really nice to have. I got USBs, I got my speakers up here, cup holders, very comfortable to sit up in this 25-foot SDX. So again, with the sun deck, you've got a nice wide bow. We've got a 25-foot, this is 2022, very, very low hours. Again, trailer is included with this. And again, this boat here is at our Rogers location. So if you'd like to come by, you can give us a call, set up an appointment, or just stop on by. We'd love to show it to you. As always, click the like button on this video, and also click to subscribe to see all the videos we're putting out on a daily basis.